Assalamualaikum. Welcome you all to online math class. I am Muhammad Tasbir Kuri, senior teacher, Milestone School and College. Today we are here for solving few maths of exercise 6.2. It is very important because new thing is introduced here in chapter 6, simple simultaneous equation or system of equation, where you are going to find out the value of two unknown variables by using substitute method, elimination method and graph method. So today we are going to solve one math of exercise 6.2. It's a creative question number 21. It's a very important of your book. Before going to start our today's class, I want to say stay at your home. Don't go outside. Watch the video that is provided by your subject teacher, which is created by your reputed teacher of Milestone, and practice them. Listen to your subject teacher, and inshallah, I believe if you listen them and watch the video, I believe your JSC preparation will have to come up. Can you tell me what is simple simultaneous equation? I think you can. When two or more equations are connected by same set of variables, those are called simultaneous equation. And when these variables have one dimension or their degree is 1 or power is 1, then we will call them simple simultaneous equation. For the this is a definition, very important definition. Maybe you can get this in your exam, JSC or other exam, but it is very important for your next class, class 9. So please understand this chapter properly and practice them. Okay? I believe if you practice them in your future, you will feel free to solve this type of maths. Okay? My dear students, you can see question number 21 in the board. The question is told us if 11 is added to the numerator of a fraction, the value of the fraction becomes 2. Again, if 2 is subtracted from the denominator of that fraction, the value of the fraction becomes 1. So we know what is denominator and numerator of a fraction. The upper part of a simple fraction is called numerator, and the down part, that is of a simple fraction, is called denominator. So the first condition it is told us that we are going to add 11 with the numerator, then x plus 11. If the fraction is relate x by y, okay, then we are going to add numerator plus 11 by y. If we add 11 with the numerator, that means numerator plus 11 by denominator, then it is 2. And if we subtract 2 from the denominator of the fraction, that means numerator by denominator minus 2, then that equal to what? 1. Okay, then we have to, this is the condition that is given us. Now question number A is told us form the system of equation considering the fraction x by y. So it is given here the fraction is x by y. If it is p by q or if it is a by b, it doesn't matter, you are going to let that later, okay? Or if it is not given, you have to let it x by y or other alphabet you can do, no problem. Find the value of x comma y by the method of elimination. This is very tricky one. The question is mentioning which method you are going to solve. In JSC examination, we can see this type of mentioned question. That means which method you are going to solve, that is mentioned in the question. So you have to practice both of the system, elimination and substitution, both. Either if you understand the substitution method and if you ignore the elimination method, in examination you can face problem. Okay, you will get 0 if you don't follow the method which mentioned there. So I will request you practice both of the method and try to understand so that you can do in your examination. And And the last question, C number, draw the graph and find the axis and the ordinate of the intersect point. So we have to first draw the graph by which equation we get from A, and from that the two equation the two straight line will be defined in the graph, and they will intersect some point, and that intersect point, if we just think about that is x comma y in a graph, x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. So it is very important because this question is told you at first you have to draw the graph, then you have to find the intersecting point, then you have to write which one is abscissa, which one is ordinate. So you have to understand what is actually told us to do. Otherwise, the question will be easy. If you don't understand, if you don't read the question properly, you will not get full marks. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 8. Given the fraction equal to x by y. Okay. Given the fraction equal to x by y, it is given in the question. The first statement you can see, if 11 is added to the numerator. So what is numerator here? X. So if you add x, 11 with x, so that means x plus 11, the value of the fraction becomes 2. So according to the question, according to the first condition, x plus 11 by y, and it became this fraction value is how much? This is our first. So this is our first condition. Now we are going to make an equation. So or x plus 11 equal to 2y, or x minus 2y equal to minus 11. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. According to the second condition, okay, try to understand. Now look at the second condition that is told you. If 2 is subtracted from the denominator of that fraction, the value of the fraction becomes 1. Okay? Again, 2 is subtracted from where? From the denominator. From the denominator. So, then it will become what? 1. So, according to the second condition, what is your denominator? Y. So, x by y minus 2 equal to 1, or x equal to y minus 2, or x minus y equal to minus 2. That is your equation number. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so we have to write answer x minus 2y equal to minus 11. And x minus y equal to minus 2. Now we are going to solve question number B, 21. So, question number 21, B, solution from again we get x minus 2y equal to minus 11, equation number 1, and x minus y equal to minus 2, equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, and you get so x minus 2y equal to minus 11, equation number 3, multiply by 1 both sides, and 2x minus 2y that equal to minus 4, equation number 4. Now we subtract equation 4 from equation 3, and get x minus 2y equal to minus 11, 2x minus 2y equal to minus 4. As you know, if you are going to subtract, we will change the sign. So 2y will be gone. There will be minus x. That equal to minus how much? 7, or x equal to 7. We have to write here multiplying by minus 1 in both sides. Okay, I think you understand up to this. So we get the value of x here. Now we are going to put the value of x any of the equation 1 or 2. We can easily find out the value of 1. Okay. Now we put x equal to 7 in equation 1 and get 7 minus 2y equal to minus 1. Okay, or minus 2y equal to minus 7 minus 1, or minus 2y equal to minus 18, or minus y equal to minus 18 by 2. Simplify, you get 19, or minus y equal to minus 9, or y equal to 9. You have to write multiply minus 1 in both sides. So we get the value of x and y. The question told us to find out what? X comma y. It's not told us to find out the fraction. So be careful about what is actually told you to do. So the required solution, x comma y equal to 7 comma 9. Okay, so if it is told you to find the fraction, then you are going to write 7 by 9. Okay. So I think you understand. Practice there. I think you can do it by your own. Okay. Now we are going to solve the C number question that is told you. Draw the graph and find the axis and the ordinate of the intercept point. Okay. Okay, my dear students, you can see the question here. That is 21 number. C number question is told us. Draw the graph and find out the abscissa and the ordinate of the intersect point. That we are going to solve now. So here question number C, from A we get x minus 2y equal to minus 11, that is equation number 1, and x minus y that equal to minus 2, that is our equation number 2. So from equation 1 we are going to find out y equal to 1. That means except y in the left side, all the things to be transferred on the right side. So x minus 2y that equal to minus 11. So minus 2y, you can see here the thing x is just transferred to the right side. So minus 2y equal to minus 11 minus x. Then we are going to divide by minus 2. So y equal to minus 11 minus x by minus 2. So if you take minus common from the numerator, then it will be 11 plus x, and denominator minus will be gone. So finally we get equation number 3, that is y equal to 11 plus x by 2. Okay, I think you understand how we are going to find out y, okay, by from a equation. Okay, we are going to express y as the variable of the other variable. Okay, okay, so now from equation, okay, now from this we are going to make a table. We are going to make a table below from the values of y for different values of x. So if you put the value of x here 1, you will get a value of y. If you put the value of x equal to 3, you will get another value of y. So like that, this is x, this is y. At first we are going to put 3. If you put here 3, that is 11 plus 3, that equal to 14. 14 by 2, we are going to get 7. Similarly, if you put here value 5, 5 plus 11, that is 16 by 2, that equal to 8. So y equal to 8. Okay. Similarly, if you put the value of 7 here, 7, 11 plus 7, then what we are going to get? We get, that is 18 by 2. 18 by 2 equal to 9. So that is 9. Okay. The last one we are going to find out. We can take 3 value at least. More if you want 4, 5, no problem. But at least 3 value we required. So we are going to put the value x equal to 9. So we get 11 plus 9, that equal to 20 by 2, that equal to 10. So this is the table of y for the different values of x. For different values of x, we get a table of y. Okay. Now from equation 2, this is the equation number 2, x minus y equal to minus 2. From that, minus y equal to minus 2 minus x. So x is transferred to the right side. It was positive. When we send it to the right side, it will be negative. So y equal to 2 plus x. Okay, do you understand? Now if I just go to the same way, we are going to make a table of y for the different values of x. So this is x, this is y. Now for the value of x, we are going to put here 0. So if you just put 0 plus 2 equal to 2. If you put value 3, it's a very simple one. When it is in just a fraction way, then we have to be careful about which value we are going to take, otherwise we'll get decimal. And when it is a simple equation, there is no fraction on the right side, then it's very easy. So we are going to put here x equal to 3. So 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. Now 5. If you put the value of x equal to 5, we are going to 5 plus 2, that equal to 7. Then the last one, if you put the value x equal to 7, we are going to get, that is 9. So I think you understand how we are going to take the we are going to make the table of y for the different values of x. Okay. So this is our graph paper. You can see like this. You will get a graph paper in examination hall. They will provide you. You don't need to bring. So this type of graph paper, at first we have to take the scale. The 1 small x square equal to 1 unit along both axes. Both axes means we know in a graph paper when we draw two line perpendicularly to each other, then there will be two axes. Okay, one is x axis and another one is y axis. So at first we are going to draw this one. Okay, this one you can see this line is called x o x dash x axis, and y o y dash, that is our y axis. Now this is the table that we get from our just from equation number 1. This is the table. We don't need to draw again. I am just going to show here so that you understand properly. So at first, the first coordinate is what? 3, 7. That is our first point, 3, 7. That we are going to put here. 3, 7. Look at here. If you just think about, this is 1, 2, 3, this is your x3 and y7. So this is y7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think you understand. You can see the 3, 7. This one 3, 7. I just put here for x3 1, 2, 3, and for 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now the next one 11, 5, 8, 5. So here x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is 5, 8. Can you see? I think you can see. Now I want to put the next point 7, 9. So x7, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 and 9. So you can see 1, 2, y is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 7, 9. Look, 7, 9. Then the next one is 9, 10. So x is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is x is 9 and y is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 10. As you understand, we just make one smallest square equal to 1 unit along both axes. So this is our 9, 10 by counting we just get. Now we are going to draw a straight line. You can see the straight line. Okay, the straight line. I use different color for that can you see properly or understand properly which point where we just put. Okay. Next one, this is the writing of the straight line that we drawn here. We don't need to draw this table again because in our first equation we draw it. We are going to use it. We are going to put the value. For that I just show here this table. Now let x o x dash. This is our x o x dash and y o y dash. Y o y dash. are x-axis and y-axis respectively, and O is the origin. O is the origin. Let the length of a side of smallest square of both axes to be considered a unit. This one is written here. Let the length of a side of a smallest square. This is the smallest square. This is the smallest square. This one. So this is smallest square. This one side is just recognized one of the unit for the both axes. We put the points 3, 7. This one 3, 7, 5, 8, 7, 9, and 9, 10 on the graph paper, joining the points and extending the, so just joining and extending the line in both direction, we get the graph of a straight line represented by the equation 1. So this straight line represent what? Represent equation 1. Okay, do you understand? Now we are going to just plot the second table of the second equation. So this is our second table of the second equation. You can see that first we are going to put 0, 2. So 0, 2, here is 0, x value 0. So it will not move right or left, it will be fixed here. And 2, 1, 2, here is 0, 2. You can see in yellow color, I just shown here. Then 3, 5. So x value 3. This one is x3 and y is 5. Here is 5. So this one 3, 5. So this one 3, 5. Then 5, 7. So here is x is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x, and y is how much? 7. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is. That is 5, 7. I think you can see. Okay, next what? The last one, 7, 9. You can see 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our 7. And 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is already drawn here, 7, 9. So all the coordinate or the points are plotted in the graph paper. Now we are going to join the line. Here it is. We just join the line and the two straight line intersect at where? 7, 9. Now we are going to write for the second. So this one is 7, 9. That is intersecting point. So here is the point A. Again we put the points O, 0, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9 on the graph paper. Joining the points and extending the line in both directions, we get the graph of a straight line represented by the equation. Same just like the first one. After plotting the points, we join and extend the both sides of the points, and we get a straight line, and this straight line intersects the previous one at the point A. We just get that at A we get the intersection of two straight lines. So A is the common point. A is the common point of both the straight lines. From the graph, we see that the abscissa of A is 7 and ordinate is 9. So the first one 7, x, that is called abscissa, and 9 is ordinate. As our question told us, by drawing the graph, we find the abscissa and ordinate of the intersecting point. So our abscissa is 7 and ordinate is 9. So I think you understand how we are going to do it. So this is our answer. Now I am going to give you some HW of exercise 6.2, HW number 41, exercise 6.2, problem number 23. It's a very important one also. So practice them, solve this one, send to your subject teacher, and uh, please watch this video, practice them, because you should understand the teacher who are taking your classes or making video for your betterment. They are doing only for you. We are not doing for us. This one is doing for only for you. And inshallah, we will see again in other classes. Inshallah. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.